I'm 12 miles off Penzance, trying to fulfil an 8-year mission to swim with blue sharks. It's a magical moment when, out of the blue, an adult female appears. She's about 2.5 metres long, and her sleek, graceful body makes her a powerful swimmer. She's right beneath me. This is absolutely brilliant. She's so beautiful, so blue. You don't realise how blue a blue shark is until you actually see one. She's got a lovely silvery nose as well. Oh. The distinct metallic blue is on the back and flanks, but her underside is pure white. This counter shading provides camouflage whether looking up against the surface or down at the sea floor. What a beautiful, beautiful animal.